also the co-founder of Pandora of Emotions.
Thank you, Samaira, for inviting me over your interview.
My pleasure. So the first question is, why would I like to attend your classes?
Because I will make you emotionally intelligent and believer of sustainable living.
Okay. How is Pandora of Emotions? What is Pandora of Emotions?
Pandora of Emotions is an organization which believes that we have to give back to nature because since the time we are born, we keep taking. So our mission is that we want you to be believers of happiness, and our vision is that we make billions of people practice emotional intelligence and sustainable living.
Okay. That's a nice mission. Okay, then how did you start Pandora?
Okay, so I had this, whenever I used to talk a lot about my nani, dadi, nature, and then I met Rosie ma'am and also Swecha ma'am. Actually, I should call them Swecha and Rosie. We have taken so many sessions that I also start calling them ma'am. But then they had the same feeling of love towards nature and smiling all the time. No matter how many people come and eat your head or disturb you, but you still make a decision which is a proper one. So since all our three of our views matched, we opened Pandora of Emotions.
Okay. It's like your baby.
Yeah, something like that, Samaira, like you.
Okay. So will it make a difference in my life if I'm not emotionally intelligent? And if yes, then how?
Okay. See, everybody when you were born, everybody keeps telling you increase your, uh, IQ. You have to become an intelligent person. But nobody guides us that we have to be a happy person. So, like the way we prepare ourselves, our body, mind, and soul, to become a doctor, engineer, or any professional, person in our lives, same way we have to practice to be happy, to be mindful. And I'm so glad that Pandora of Emotions has turned around maybe more 8,000 kids who are practicing emotional intelligence. They are good decision makers. They have a timetable to finish their jobs. They are more happy people. They think boredom is creativity.
Okay. How did you get the name Pandora of Emotions?
All right. So, you must have heard the story about Pandora. So, our emotions are inside us, right? So, Pandora box had something inside us which nobody knew. So, from that, that's, synonym, Pandora becomes something we don't know. But then if we know that it's Pandora of Emotions and it will help us lead a better life, then we can tackle the emotions. So when you open your Pandora of Emotions, you live a better life when you know them well.
Okay, tell me an example if I'm emotionally intelligent.
Okay, if you're emotionally intelligent, then you will not throw away all the seeds. So you collect coins, right?
Yeah.
Or maybe you collect clips, or you collect stamps, or maybe pebbles and beads and stones. But who collects seeds? Imagine if all the people start collecting seeds. Okay, before that, I'll ask you one thing. What is the most important thing in the world, without which nobody can live?
Oxygen.
Yes. But have you ever seen a bank of oxygen? We have a bank for
Money, coins,
blood.
jewelry, blood.
Blood bank also, right?
Yeah, everything.
But we don't have a bank of oxygen. So imagine if we teach the kids that you have 10 boxes in your room with different kinds of seeds. When the season comes, you are making a bank of oxygen for yourself. How wonderful it would be. What do you think?
Yeah, I never thought of that too. Okay, so here the interview ends, and this was a lovely session, and I'm going to join Pandora of Emotions, and ma'am will just share her contact number so you can also do it.
It's 9999134639. Thank you so much.
Thank you.